Welcome, tech aficionados. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's much anticipated iPhone 16 Pro models. Brace yourselves as we explore rumors suggesting that these devices are poised to revolutionize smartphone design with their ultra thin bezels and more. Let's delve into the details. First up, let's talk about bezels. According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, Apple is gearing up to unveil the iPhone 16 Pro with the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone. Yes, you heard it right. This could be a game changer in the world of mobile technology. But that's not all. Despite minimal design tweaks, the iPhone 16 Pro lineup is rumored to undergo a size upgrade. Expect the iPhone 16 Pro to boast a 6.3-inch display, up from its predecessor's 6.1 inches. And for those craving even more screen real estate, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might just become Apple's largest iPhone yet, sporting a massive 6.9-inch screen, up from 6.7 inches. So, how is Apple achieving these jaw-dropping advancements? Rumors suggest the use of border reduction structure, BRS technology. This innovative approach allows for a more efficient arrangement of circuitry beneath the display, paving the way for those ultra-slim bezels. While Ice Universe didn't explicitly mention BRS, whispers from Asia hint at its potential integration into the iPhone 16 models. Let's take a trip down memory lane. From the iPhone 12 onwards, Apple has maintained a relatively consistent screen size. However, with the iPhone 16 Pro models, it seems like they're ready to shake things up. This evolution in design reflects Apple's commitment to pushing boundaries and staying ahead of the curve in the competitive smartphone market. And there you have it, folks. The iPhone 16 Pro rumors have us all buzzing with excitement. Will Apple redefine smartphone aesthetics once again? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest tech news. Until next time, happy exploring!